Good morning, class 4. I hope you all are doing good. Now, today we are going to continue with our chapter number 8, Reaching Grandmother's House. We have already started this chapter in a previous live class. Okay, and in that portion of the chapter, we saw that after deboarding from the train, Omana took an auto rickshaw to reach her Waliama's house, his mother's sister. Okay, her mother's sisters, and after reaching her Valiama's house, she took some rest, and the next day she took bus to reach the riverside, and from the riverside she again took a ferry to reach the island where her Amuama's house is located. Okay, so all of these events we saw in that portion of the chapter which we covered yesterday. Okay, so today we are going to discuss some more important information related to the railway ticket and railway timetable. Okay, thank you so much. That's it for today. Take care. Class 4, I hope you all are doing good. Now today we are going to cover last exercises of our chapter number 8, that is reaching grandmother's house. Okay, with this we are going to finish off our chapter. All right, so as you know, we have discussed this exercise portion in our in Monday's class, right? So we are going to continue with that only. So we had been given a railway ticket picture in your chapter, right? We had been given with the picture of railway ticket, and after observing that ticket we had to fill in some information. We had been given some questions, and on the basis of which we read the information written on the railway ticket, and we wrote all the answers, right? So today what we are going to do, we are going to answer some more question based on this ticket. So this one more question we have to attend, which is based on that railway ticket. So the question is, write what other information you can find from the ticket. So except from those questions which were asked on the basis of that railway ticket, what all other information do you observe? So there is a PNR number, okay? Then there is number of adults, number of children, which class it belongs to, class 2 AC, and finally train name, Awadh Express. So these were some extra information which were written on railway ticket. There are there are some more extra information given to us on railway ticket which I haven't even yet covered. So if you want to include that, you can include that as well. Okay, after that there is one more important thing which I would like to discuss, that is a railway timetable. Now what do we understand by a railway timetable? A railway timetable gives us the details about the route of every train. If you want to look up for the route of a particular train, what you will do, you will look for the railway timetable of that particular train, so that you can get to know what all stations will that train cover along the route, at what time the train will reach each and every station, at what time the train will leave each and every station, how much distance it will cover, okay, along the route. So all these information is given to us with the help of a railway timetable. So there is one example of Gandhidham Nagarkoil Express train timetable. Okay, so yes, this was your so this is one sample train timetable given to you, and the train name is Gandhidham Nagarkoil Express. As you can know, so these number of these names of the station, what do they tell us? That this particular train will cross all these stations. Okay, all these stations this train will cross in this order only. So this is the route this particular train is going to follow. After that, it has given us arrival time which tells us at what time this train will reach each one of these stations. So we had been given that it will reach Udupi at 12:06, it will reach Kozhikode at 5:45 in the evening, it will reach Trichur at 9 o'clock 9:05 in the evening. So like this it tells us about the arrival time. After that, we had been given the departure time, at the time at which the train leaves the station. Okay, so it will reach Gandhidham at 5:15 in the morning, it will leave Ahmedabad at 11:50 in the morning, it will leave Vadodara station at 2:10 in the afternoon. Okay, so like this this information has been given to us. After that, they have given us the distance traveled by this particular train as it crosses each and every station along the route. Okay, so this was your sample of timetable, railway timetable, and on the basis of this timetable, they have given us again some questions. So from which station did the train start? The train started from the station number 1, Gandhidham station. For how many minutes did the train stop at Ahmedabad station? Let's look at the Ahmedabad station. There it is. So it reached at 11:30 and it left the Ahmedabad station at 11:50. So it waited for 20 minutes. On which day of the journey did the train reach Madgaon? So we know that the train reached the second day of the journey at Madgaon. So Neil and Ann got off at Kozhikode station and Omana got off at Kottayam station. How many hours does the train take to reach Kottayam from Kozhikode? So what you have to do, you have to look for the Kozhikode station, which is at 9 number in your railway timetable, and Kottayam station, which is at 12 number. And you have to find out the difference between the departure time of that particular train. And that way you can calculate that it comes out to be approximately 6 hours. Okay. So 6 hours it takes for the train to reach from Kozhikode to Kottayam station. And what is the distance that the train traveled over the whole route? So that distance, total distance, is given to us at the very bottom of your railway timetable, and that is 2649 kilometers. So this is the total distance which has been covered by the train at the end of our journey. And last question is, how many kilometers did Omana travel by train? So Omana got off, she deboarded at Kottayam station, right? So how many kilometers did she travel? She traveled 2418 kilometers as per the railway timetable. So these were your questions which you are supposed to complete in your EVS textbook, and send me the pictures of these 2 pages after completing your homework in your homework group before 5 p.m. positively. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.